Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at an upgrade to a project we published 2 years ago, titled Push-Button Combination Lock using Arduino. You can find the link to that video in the I button and in the description below. Now, in that video, we showed how to design a combination lock circuit using Tinkercad and Arduino. We kept it simple with just an LED indicator to signal when the correct code was entered. One of our awesome subscribers asked, "Can I use a servo motor instead of an LED indicator?" Well, great question. So today we're going to do exactly that. We'll add a servo motor along with a green light indicator. Before we dive in, I'd recommend checking out the previous video if you haven't already, so you can follow along more smoothly. The link to the code is in the description, so feel free to grab that too. All right, let's jump right into it. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let's get started. Connect servo ground pin to Arduino ground pin. Then connect servo VCC to Arduino's 5-volt. And then servo motor signal pin to Arduino's 10th pin. Then go to coding section now, include servo point H, then initialize the position of servo to 0 example into POS =0. Then assign a variable as servo_10. Then in void setup, assign 10 the up pin as signal example servo_10.attach 10. Then go to void compare code function. Add code to change position of servo motor. Let's check out the demo. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.